Hey y'all, how's it going? Hopefully there's enough light for you to see tonight. Don't you hate it when it starts getting dark earlier? I don't know what I'm going to do when winter comes and I have to start making supper at 2 a.m. or 2 in the afternoon. Flatbread pizzas! Yay! Oh, hello. My lovely assistant is here. Hi. So, let us put some Earl on things here, if that's okay with you. Yay, Earl! La, 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 la. So, got wood-fired flatbread. This is on medium, and I think that's where it will stay. You know what? We should heat up some pepperoni first. Before we get too carried away. Ah, there it goes. Okay. Let's set these aside. Because we don't want them to burn. We don't like it when things burn. Oh, this smells good. Some of those fancy schmancy pepperoni brands. Applegate, uncured, pork and beef. Although, one of my cooking heroes, Alton Brown, actually, I didn't realize he was had a cooking show. The first I ever saw him was riding across the country on his motorcycle eating food. And then I discovered he cooked and was really super intelligent. But anyway, from Alton Brown I learned that basically, that's hot. No, he didn't teach me that. That's something he expected I'd learn on my own. Sorry to disappoint you, Alton, but his thing is that, let's turn this down a little. Uncured is basically a scam. And he says, don't fall for it. It doesn't mean nothing. So, keep that in mind. So, I'm over here splashing some tomato sauce on my pizza, one of the pizzas. Now, this is a lot of pizza, but one of the best things in the world is cold pizza for breakfast. Right. So, that's why I plan on leftovers all the time. So we've got, this is Walmart brand pizza sauce. We don't get there often because the Walmarts are banned in Santa Barbara. But once in a while we make the journey because it's expensive to shop here in town. Okay, we got pizza. This is pizza cheese. I think it's probably just Kroger brand, maybe. Spread a few more pepperoni around. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Man, why is this so hot? I got it turned down to low. You know what else we need? Some Italian seasoning. Italian. Yeah. Just cover this, let the cheese melt, and we'll fix the other one. Maybe, hopefully, before that one burns. Maybe. We'll see. Actually, we may not see because it's dark, y'all. It's dark. These pizzas are bigger than I thought, so my tray that I thought it would share will not be shared. Okay. Some Italian. Let's turn that side off. Don't go away. Luckily, I just happen to have my little secret cabinets set up. That might be hot. Why don't you warn me of these things? Oh, look how perfectly melted. Perfectly. This is my fancy schmancy Blackstone spatula. Can you see? Oh, say, I used that bit, didn't I? Look how pretty! Perfectly melted. Sprinkle just a little bit of garlic. Sprinkle some on mine over here. Hopefully I don't overdo it. And chopped onion. Yeah. Okay. This on here, pick up some of these here pepperonis, which are extra super cooked now. That's okay. You don't mind super cooked pepperonis, do you? No, of course you don't. You're not picky. Okay, we got that. Let's put on the dome. And I'll take that inside. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on that for me. And we're back. Thanks for watching that for me. Should we take a look? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's another minute. And what else could we add? We got some chives. Chives are good. That's probably all we're going to add today. Smelling good. Hopefully it tastes good. We shall see. Right, Baja? Oh, it's really smelling good now. Or else that's the neighbors. No, I think that's me. It's my new cologne, UD Pizzeria. Should we take one more look? Let's take one more look. Oh yeah. We have done it. We have achieved pizza done. Let's turn that off. Let's grab you by the phone. Ooh. So that's it. One flatbread pizza. Yummy. The cheese will continue to melt, so by the time I get it inside, scrape off the griddle, it will be perfect. Just like me. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Come back and see us sometime. And talk to you later. Bye!